Infinity. It's a concept that stretches the limits of our imagination. We often think of it as something that simply goes on forever. But what if I told you that some infinities are bigger than others? Let's start with something familiar. Counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on forever. That's an example of an infinite set, but it's what mathematicians call a countable infinity. If you had unlimited time, you could, in theory, count every natural number one after the other. But here's where things get strange. What about the numbers between 0 and 1? You might think, well, there's 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and so on. But what about 0.11, 0.111, or 0.1111? You can always find another number in between. In fact, there are infinitely many decimals between any two numbers. This kind of infinity is called an uncountable infinity. You can't list these numbers in an orderly sequence because there are just too many. Mathematician Georg Cantor made a shocking discovery. The set of real numbers, which includes all decimals, fractions, and irrational numbers, is a bigger infinity than the set of natural numbers. He proved this with his famous diagonal argument. Imagine trying to write out a list of all the decimals between 0 and 1, no matter how you arrange them. Cantor showed that there will always be another number you didn't include, proving that real numbers form a larger infinity than whole numbers. So what does this mean? It's a paradox that defies our intuition. How can something be infinite, yet still have different sizes? The idea that there are levels of infinity challenges everything we think we know about numbers and reality itself. Infinity is not just a mathematical curiosity. It shows up in physics, philosophy, and even our understanding of the universe. Is space infinite? Are there infinite parallel realities? We don't know. But Cantor's discoveries give us a glimpse into a world beyond our comprehension. So, the next time you think of infinity, remember, it's not just one thing. It's a whole universe of mysteries, some bigger than others, and it's a concept that will forever stretch the boundaries of human thought.